check in with yourself and find out, are you the kind of person who just has this thought that I'm just going to do everything the way I want to do it, and I'm going to do it on my own, and I'm going to listen to people, but I'm not going to really listen to people because I'm going to just do things the way that I think that they should be done? Or are you humble enough to say, hey, you know what? I can consider the advice of others if they are qualified. A company like ours, having tons of experience, having gone through things and done it the hard way, because I can promise you, I wasn't this person before, and I didn't know everything that I know now, and I really had to mature into learning how deep the game goes and how many times I thought I knew more than I actually did. And I see this happen a lot. So I'm reflecting this back to you guys, not to judge or criticize any of you if you have this quality. It's a matter of being self-aware and knowing that I'm the first to say I was this person. I still have this that I have to work on. But if you're in a place where you feel like you need help, or you think you don't need help, but you have no experience in this industry and there's no reason why you should know everything, most likely you're making a lot of assumptions about what it takes to be successful that are probably not true.